the chosen of the Lord receives the best.
Amen.
Do you know what is to be chosen of God? Have you read about Saul? When he went for the issues of the donkeys, then he met the prophet Samuel, and someone says, that we have to speak about. Up until you are there. So that is to be chosen of God. I have commanded them to give you the best of the food. So when God says, are you hearing me? And for me to get to the table, the donkeys had to be lost. Do you know the losing of the donkeys? I had to I had to take it to Hanyani for me to be found. And in me searching for the donkeys, you know,